ICOs, there's good ones and bad ones.
Right.
How do you help a new investor or a friend of yours not invest in the wrong ones, and what do you tell them to look out for the good ones?
I mean, you have to look at the development team. You have to look at who's on the development team, what their history is, what their success rate is, what projects have they worked on. I mean, part of it is educating yourself on what they do. So there's a lot of personal responsibility that comes with owning cryptocurrency and investing in it and using it. So that's what I would say is it's on the person investing to really learn as much as they can.
Right, because now anybody can invest in a cryptocurrency. Right. Like back in the day, VCs and angels could invest in like the Amazons of the world.
Right.
And you really couldn't. But now they're saying, no, you can. A lot of people last year in particular would continuously text me or call me or Facebook me or whatever and say, which coins should I buy? And I would say, that's not for me to tell you. I can tell you what I bought, but you need to figure out what you want to buy by doing some research on those coins. If somebody asked you, what 10 coins should I buy or what 10 ICOs should I look at, what did you say to them?
First question that I ask people is, what does ICO stand for? And if they can't answer that question, then I tell them that they don't need to be investing in an ICO. If they don't understand what it is and how it works, you really shouldn't be throwing money at it.
So what I always tell people first is look at the teams. Look at the people behind it. Have they executed before? What's their intention? What's their goal? What's the project? Do you have to rely on them? What's the actual utility of the token? What's going to make the price go up? Okay. So all these different questions is what I have to ask myself.
And when's the best time usually to invest in an ICO? There's pre-ICO, there's public ICO, and then there's when they're starting to build it out.
Honestly, the best time to invest in a token is like right when the token hits the market.
Well, in the crypto space, in my opinion, team is the most important. There's lots of brilliant ideas out there, but to take brilliant idea into actual working product, it takes team, it takes guys that have managed money and projects and developers and put them together to create a functioning product. So to me, team is first. Most of the time where there's team, the money will flow because they have confidence that team can execute. And most of the times, that's where you have your best opportunity to succeed.